Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, beans are a little bit lower. Corn and wheat's about unchanged. I think the bean market is beginning to realize a little bit that on Thursday's report, the USDA is probably going to say there's just too much soybean supply in the world. Also, we're not really seeing any movement afoot on trying to resolve the Chinese and U.S. Trade war. It's interesting in that the farmers here in the United States are not selling beans, and that most of them feel there will be a resolution. And so on one side, if there is a resolution, soybeans should rally on the news. On the other side, if there's no resolution, soybeans should continue to leak lower and take off this 50 to 60 cent rally that we've seen from contract lows. Down in South America, crops are getting planted. It's that time of year to watch weather. Brazil weather is pretty ideal right now over most of the nation. Argentina is a little dry and kind of slowing a little bit of the corn planting down, so we kind of have to watch that a little bit. The Chinese Ag Minister came out and said that the swine flu outbreak in the country remains complex and severe, so we don't really know what that means. Again, there may be more cases of the swine flu that hasn't been really reported, and the market thinks that both the outbreak in China and the outbreak in Europe will help U.S. hog exports. And I think that's one of the reasons why you've seen the hog prices jump so much from where they were given our large supply here in the United States. Again, the market's expecting a little bit bigger corn and soybean crop numbers on Thursday, increase in the carryouts, especially in corn, and that global carryouts also increase. And we'll see if the market reacts negatively to that or if that's already in the price structure. Also, as far as the wheat is concerned, yesterday Russia sold some of its wheat reserves, and that was negative to the wheat. Some people think that, number one, the reserves is far away from the export point. Number two, that the quality is somewhere between 3 and 10 years old, so it may not be exportable quality. So again, short term, wheat market is trading, there's too much wheat. Long term, some people hope that in the first of the 2019 first quarter, wheat prices might rally if Russian exports decline. Bottom line, when we look forward to 2019, normal crops, there'll be too much supply, and those contracts out in the deferred are too high. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.